Hi and welcome to the channel. This is just a quick product review. Last week I was out on a motorbike trip doing a bit of camping, and when I was showing you around my campsite I had a little table there that I'd taken with me. It's a nice light little aluminium one, so as promised I thought I'd do a review for you and give you a few more details. Right, this is the table. It comes in a nice little bag, found it on eBay. There's three different sizes and they range from about $25 up to about $40, depending on the size and who you buy it off. This one was available locally, so it didn't take too long to come to me. Comes in a little black bag, nothing special. It's very light, so I'll just take it out of the bag and weigh it for you. Total weight there is 934 grams. So not something I'd take hiking with me, but for on the motorbike, not a problem, and ideal if you're just in a caravan and you're but limited to space, or a camper trailer and you want to take a couple of tables along to sit next to your chair for drinks and things like that. So ideal for that as well without going to too much expense. So just fold it out. It all comes folded together. It's plastic on the ends. Doesn't take too much just to straighten it all out. I actually used it in my bag on the back of the bike and sat it inside like that, so that I sat some gear on it, and it gave me a bit more of a solid base actually in the bike. So there's 6 panels, so they're all joined together. It's plastic, and the frame comes already in one piece, dead easy. So you just pull it out. And these two rails, just as you stretch it out, they just drop straight into little points like that, and that locks it tight. It's not moving. All you have to do then is turn it upside down. There's little tracks, I'll show you in a second, and it just clips into the tracks. And your table's ready. Perfect. The tracks that, don't know if you can see that, there's a track that runs across here, which just locks into these points on here, so no mucking around. There we go. This one's the smaller one, and it's 35 centimeters by 41 centimeters, and the height on it is 29 centimeters. So as I said, it was just a quick product review as promised, but it was a great little table. I was really pleased I took it and got things up off the ground. A little gas stove or something like that, you could sit this on top and do your cooking, so you're not kneeling down on the ground and things like that. So I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please give me a thumbs up, or if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. There's always more stuff coming all the time, and check out some of my other videos. Thanks for watching, and keep the shiny side up.